Welcome to the massive graveyard of modern technology, where millions of tons of electronic waste wait for a second chance through advanced recycling. The journey begins on the sorting lines, where discarded laptop and monitor shells are separated for recovery. Technicians carefully remove screws, hinges, and metal parts to keep the recycled plastic completely pure. Advanced infrared scanners identify the exact type of plastic before processing begins. The crushing phase begins as powerful industrial shredders break the old housings into small fragments. High-pressure washing systems remove years of dust, grease, and industrial residue from the plastic. Isolate pure ABS plastic from unwanted materials and mixed polymers. The cleaned flakes move into the extrusion system, where they are transformed into molten material. At over 230 degrees Celsius, the ABS melts into a thick liquid ready for manufacturing. The cooled strands are cut into millions of uniform recycled ABS pellets. The recycled material now enters the injection molding department for its final transformation. This is the heart of the production line, where heat and pressure shape the future laptop shell. Under massive pressure, molten recycled plastic fills every corner of the precision steel mold. Advanced cooling systems solidify the shell in seconds for continuous mass production. Mold opens, revealing a newly formed laptop casing made entirely from recycled material. Automated trimming tools refine every edge for a precise final fit and finish. The internal hardware is installed. Extreme durability tests simulate years of real-world use to verify the strength of the recycled casing. Bringing the recycled shell one step closer to becoming a finished laptop. For the first time, the recycled device powers on. Completing its transformation from electronic waste to modern technology.